Hello, how to solve this exponential problem and find the value of t that satisfies this equation? We have negative 10 to the power of t and this equals 10. Now, we can express negative 10 as negative 1 times 10. So that means we are going to have negative 1 times 10 raised to the power of t and this equals 10. So, if you have a times b raised to the power of c, this equals a power c times b power c. So that means we are going to have negative 1 power t times 10 power t, and this equals 10. So from here, we can replace this negative 1 with this Euler's identity. You have e power I times pi plus 1, this equals 0. Move 1 over here, it becomes e power I times pi equals negative 1, meaning that negative 1 equals e power I times pi. So we replace it here. We have e power I times pi raised to the power of t times 10 power t equals 10. So from here, we have a power n raised to the power of m equals a power n times m. I multiply this exponent out. I have e power I times pi times t times 10 power t equals 10. So what do? We made use of natural log and take natural log of e power I times pi times t times 10 power t equals natural log of 10. So from here, if you have log a times b, this equals log a plus log b. So natural log of a times b equals natural log of a plus natural log of b. We apply that here. Simply have natural log of e power I times pi t plus natural log of 10 power t equals natural log of 10. Also, if you have log a power b, this equals b times log a. That means natural log of a power b equals b times natural log of a. We apply that here and here. So you have I times pi t times natural log of e plus t times natural log of 10 equals natural log of 10. Now, eliminate this. Natural log of 10 equals 1 because no, this is only for logarithm. It's only log of 10 that is 1. So this is not true. Natural log of 10 is not 1, so we leave it. We have I times pi t. This is incorrect. Let me clean it off. So it's only log of 10 that is 1. So we have I pi t plus t ln 10 equals ln 10. From here, we can factor up t. That means we have t times I times pi plus ln 10 equals ln 10. And divide this by I times pi plus ln 10. And divide this by I times pi plus ln 10. This cancels this. I have t equals ln 10 divided by I times pi plus ln 10. So that is our solution based on that. Let's consider another approach of solving this. The question remains the same. We have negative 10 power t equals 10. So what I can do is to express this in terms of this, of negative 1 times 10 power t equals 10. From here, I make use of this identity. If you have square root of negative 1, this equals I. If you take the squares, this cancels this, so you have negative 1 equals I power 2. So we are going to replace this negative 1 here with I power 2. That means what we are going to have is I power 2 times 10 raised to the power of t equals 10. So from here, what you can do is to apply log of I power 2 times 10 raised to the power of t equals log 10. And right now, you have log a power b. This equals b times log a. So the t will come behind this. You have t times log I power 2 times 10 equals log 10. So from here, this is your a, this is b. If you have log a times b, this equals log a plus log b. So you have t times log I power 2 plus log 10 equals log 10. And don't also forget, log a power b equals b times log a. So the 2 here come behind this. That means you are going to have t times 2 times log I plus log 10. This equals log 10. Now, what you should know also is that log 10 equals 1. So replace this with 1, replace this with 1. You have t times 2 times log I plus 1 equals 1. From here, you divide this by 2 times log I plus 1. Divide this by 2 times log I plus 1. This cancels this. You now have t equals 1 divided by 2 times log I plus 1. And remember, 2 times log I equals pi I. So this solution and this solution are the same, just that remember, log 10 equals 1. So if you replace this with log 10, replace this with log 10, you have 2 log I. 2 log I is the same thing as pi times I. So the two solutions are obviously the same, just different methods of solving it. So guys, that is it. That is how you can solve this problem. And we have used 2 different methods. So kindly subscribe and don't forget to share, like this video. Thank you and see you again.